What's up, guys? It's Turtles Legend here, back for another Minecraft video. Today I'm gonna be making a chicken farm, and we're gonna see how this works out. This is my first time making a chicken farm. I might end up having to pause my video up every once in a while, look at my phone, but I'm gonna try. So the first thing is I need to grab some of my materials. So you need to grab all this. I don't need all of it, just need some of the stuff, but it's the first. Looks like I have to place that there. So first I place my chest here, and since this is my main thing for the episode, I'll show you guys what I'm doing. I'm also going to make sure, is that right now? Yep. Just trying to check out, and I have a reason for this. And I'll have to show you guys once I get done. But there's a special reason why I am making this device. And 1 second, guys, just have to quick see what what I'm supposed to be doing exactly. Okay, I need my 2 stairs. Where are my stairs? Well, I think I only need 2, but oh no. If I am correct. Alright. It has to be like that. Sorry guys that I'm not going as quick as I would like. I'm just not really known with I'm not really famous for knowing what I'm doing when it comes to this. Am I supposed to place down my hopper now? And I don't know if this is one I built out yet. Yes, this is. I need my stone or cobblestone. Ha. Is this it? Sorry guys for it though being so complicated and long of me doing this. But I hope this will help you guys in the future. So I need to do that. And also I'm gonna quick use my wood as building material. Actually, I should probably do building right here. Yes. Now I just need my axe that I didn't bring with. Oof. Also, guys, tell me, do you want me to make the tree farm that I showed you guys I could make last episode? Because I think you guys might enjoy watching me do it, but I want you guys to tell me if you would. And also, guys, I promise I did not get this stuff out of creative, just in case you think I did. Because that wouldn't really be too honorable, and I want to be somewhat honorable when it comes to this. Also, these are really bad slabs. Hope this still works. This chicken thing was made for 1.14. And also, guys, I forgot one thing I needed. Be back in 1 second. Okay, I got my thing. I don't need it yet. I just know I'm gonna need lava, so I figured I'd grab it right now. Now I need to go stone and operate. Haha! I'm doing things. So guys, I'm not as smooth at this as other people have been. I'm just not that good at remembering stuff like this. But I'm trying my best. Guys, I need to pause and go do something. Guys, I'm back, and no, it wasn't long for you, but it was long for me. My mama had me go do something. But hey, guys, and so I'm finishing off this. So I guess it says I need to jump crouch like that. Still have some other things I'm also wanting to do, but like after this, so I will still have more. This is not the end. It was just wanting me to do now. Sorry guys, like I said, I'm so slow. Okay, looks like I'm gonna need carpet. I'm gonna go grab some wool, and I'll be back. Okay, now I need to do what I want to do. First place, I need now place carpet. And it looks like also I'm now building supposed to be like right here. Up like 4. First though, let me get rid of this. These guys are okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. You're right above that, and that's on the other side. And not on the other side yet, okay. Now I have to go back like this. Pretty much I think cleaning it all up. Like this. Making it look all nice, chic, and clean. Connect it to the top like that. See, now this is where I have to grab my stair, if I'm correct. And glass. Shouldn't need rails anymore. But it's showing me right now. Get this stair upside down right there, so I can open my chest. Otherwise, I won't be able to open my chest. And then I think this is where I now place glass, if I am correct. I'm gonna need to place glass there anyway, so might as well now. Stupid ad. Once I get on my ad, I'll be able to see what else I'm supposed to do. Okay. Now I need to. So yes, it was the glass. And then I go to the side. Glass. Stone like that. Another glass right there. I know it's going to be the same way on this side. Of course. So there. Stone like that. Another glass. Makes it so I can see it, and I kind of like it that way. Now, ta-da, ta-da. Guessing again on this side, ta-da, ta-da. Haha, it's working. Okay. So far, I am ahead of this guy, just waiting for him to get to where I am. Okay, now I need a quick pause. Goes there, 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 there. And then he fills up the other side. Parkour. Aha. It's working. Alright. Pausing 1 second, guys. Be back. Okay, now I need to grab glowstone. Put it right there. The reason why I do that is so then it's nice and bright. I like brightness. Okay. Now, gonna need to get chickens in here some way. Hey guys, I'm kind of sorry, but I think I'm gonna end up cheating the chickens in here. Because that's just easier, and I don't really have a lot of time because my mom keeps wanting to do stuff. So, slash, oh, forgot, cheats off again. Cheats on, start land, slash, give, oh, this is dumb. I should have just done slash game mode. There. Now, chicken. I need about 25 chickens. But I don't know if I do it yet. This guy set down like temporary blocks or whatever. I'm kind of confused. 1 second. So, oh, slash. I know what I'm gonna need to do because I want to be in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, just trying to get 25 quickly. There, slash game mode survival. Okay, now kind of confused since I don't have the noise on, which they don't want me to do. He's going like this. Okay. Oh, I think I remember this part. This is when he's talking about spawning the chickens and how there's a reason why he doesn't want to spawn anymore. So he goes like this. I'm gonna need to get rid of those. And then spawns in all 25 chickens. I don't care that one died, honestly. And then he went like back here. There's the observer like that. This is where I have to do a redstone, if I am correct. There's a dot redstone right there, a line of redstone right here. I'm just gonna make it like that, since I don't know if it really matters. Okay. And here, he put the lava bucket. Alright, so what that should do is every time an egg goes in there, okay, so this is, every time an egg goes in there, it will shoot out to here. How do I get raw chicken? Oh, from that chicken gun. Okay. And then, how is that an axe? Maybe. can I mine through here? Nope, wrong area. Slash game mode. I'm gonna give myself like lots of chicken eggs to see if this works. Chicken. Egg. Okay. I'm gonna go like this and just go. Okay, it sounds like every time an egg goes, it shoots it. Wonder. Oh, overloaded. Okay, let's fix that. Why aren't the eggs shooting out? What did I do wrong? Over this, maybe. It's also supposed to shoot out there. Alright. I have an idea. I'm gonna go just do the creative fix. That thing might work. So, no. Come on, how do I do this? Okay, now when that bird grows up, that should work. Okay. Well, guys, looks like I have to go. That's gonna be it for this video. Next video, I will show you what my plan was for all this, and yeah, you guys will see what I'm gonna do. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please hit the like button if you like. Subscribe if you're not already. Go down to the description. Check that out. That'll be a link to my Discord server. I'll be on there regularly. And see you dudes next time. Turtles Legend out!